In this video, I am going to show you how to use Perplexity AI for complex data analysis. Let's get started. First, open Perplexity and log into your account. If you are using the free tier, you get basic analysis features. If you are on Pro, you unlock advanced tools like spreadsheets, code execution, and deeper research capabilities. To analyze data, simply drag and drop your file into the chat. You can upload CSV files, Excel spreadsheets, PDFs, or connect cloud storage like Google Drive or Outlook. Once uploaded, ask a clear question in natural language. For example, type, analyze this sales CSV, find trends, top products by region, and forecast Q2 revenue. Perplexity automatically detects the data structure, calculates statistics like averages and correlations, identifies outliers, and suggests useful insights. If you want visual outputs, type something like, create a revenue dashboard from this file. Perplexity can generate tables, charts, and structured summaries. You can export results as PDF or CSV and continue refining your analysis in the same thread. Pro users get higher limits, more advanced models, and better visualization tools. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.